Hi everybody, good morning. I'm doing this walkthrough. I'll try my best to explain as much as possible. Some part maybe I'm not very clear on it, but I'll try my best. It's a bit too much information in this room because this is part of the DevOps security, CID, PID, and all of that. Okay, we start the room. Okay, we have this. So they give us this couple of machines here. Let me see if the sound working here. Okay, it's working. Okay, now we need to configure our network. Okay, the first thing you need to do is, first of all, you need to pick up your IP address. This is the IP address that we're using for the attack box. We are not using this IP like my IP that usually we do. The connection to this network is happening through the CCID network. So this is our IP we use always for the attack box. So this is the IP we need to remember. So that's one. Second thing is we need to check our hosts. The first host we have here is the GitLab host there, so we need to add that to IP. So 10.200.6. So my network is 6.150. So this is my network. This is there, and they give us the host to look for it. It's this one. So it's gitlab.tryhackme.lock. They talk also about Jenkins. My Jenkins is already here, so let's use that one too. 10.200.6.160. So we have the Jenkins. The Jenkins, where is he? Where are you? The Jenkins, they said should use Jenkins.tryhackme.lock. So we have that. So we have this. Let's save and make sure that everything is working. So if I go now to my Firefox, HTTP, and let's see what we have. Okay, we got there, and we have the GitLab community edition. We have the login form. Then contacting the mother, they said look for your 250. Where is the mother? Yeah, the mother to get how you connect the mother? SSH mother at 10. So the IP range is 206. So it's 200.6. 200.6. What? So they said we need to use 250. We have a 250 end in the mother, so we have 250 in the mother. Okay, yes. Oh, sorry. Yes. The password for the mother is mother knows best. We can just type it in, mother knows best. Okay, let me register a new account. Let's see if it accepts my account. Provide your TryHackMe username. That's not my username. Let's try if it accepts it. And please make sure to save them as they will not be displayed again. Okay, I'm doing new room, so let's what happened? It's close. Mother knows best. What password again? Mother knows best. I can authenticate. what name I gave him this name. What name? I did something wrong already. Mother knows best. I need to authenticate, so it's number 2. I am J. What was the password? Okay, now we'll use this one later on, this proof of things. So what else we need to do now? Okay, we done with this, so we done this, we connected the network, we cool. What's next step? Now all this introduction about fundamental of the CCID, CID. I will not go too much about it, but guys, you can read about it. So what we have here, according to GitHub, there is 8 fundamental CID: single source repository, frequent check, automatic build, frequent, maximum, visibility for developer, predictive, okay, type of pipeline, developer workstation, storage solution, build orchestrator, coordinate and manage, build agent, and all of that. So guys, you can read about this. I'm doing this more for the lab part of it. Implement isolation. This is of course for security. Setup, operate access control permission. We'll all see this later on. A note on network security. And network security is vital. Okay, let's go quickly through the question. What element of a CI/CD pipeline coordinates and manages the automation of build and deployment environment? It's like an orchestration things. Where is that orchestration? Oh, the build orchestration, coordinate and manage and automation of build and deployment. It's like Kubernetes or something, like Jenkins. Now you talk about Jenkins here. Okay, that's fine. Let's do that. What element of the CI pipeline build, test and package codes? It's a build agent or something. Where is the build agent? Build agent, yeah. This machine build test package code. We are using Rana and Jenkins. So we are using, okay, that's fine. And then what fundamental CI/CD promote developer in having access to the best builds and code in order to understand and see the changes that have been made. The visibility part of it. Who's in charge of the visibility? Build agent environment. What's the question again? What fundamental promote developer in having access to the latest build in order to understand and see changes that have been made? Oh, this one, the visibility part. Each developer should have access to the latest build and things. So it's okay. Let's try that one. I think that's the visibility. Okay, let's go now because we need to move to the lab part. Here what we say, go to that, register, create, and then look for the basic build, creation fork it, then instance it. Okay, now let's go where we supposed to go. Now let's create and register a new account. Let's compromise. Let's do that local.com. The username is oops. Let's call it reset the machine. Suppose username is available. Password, just put any password. Role, I don't know what is my role. Security analyst. Let's see, get started. Okay, now we create this project. We need to go your work. I can go to explore the basic build. We're trying to test because we're starting with the simple things. So there is a project called basic build. This is the guy that the whole room is based on his projects. So we need to fork this project. Let's fork it. Basic build. Let's call it my name there. So testing basic build, for example. It's yours, so put in your name, make it private, because this room this other user will access to it. So basically, let's say fork the project. Let's fork the project. Project creation. The private. Then of course when you build this, the staging part is the test part, and then this deployment part. So this one part of deployment, and you can know them now. Now we have this script and our name, so that's the name. We have all of that. What these things, we don't need that one. So let me make it bigger. I think it's bigger, 120%. So if we go now to GitLab CID, you can see what the hell is doing this one. This is the stage build, the script hello, then the testing jobs for these testing purposes, and then we have a deployment part, now deploying the prod. Now you can see what he's doing. Creating a temporary directory and then copying the website information to this directory. Then is opening the screen, is doing port mapping to localhost to this website, so we can access to it from this IP address. But there is something missing. Where is the part that create the server? Screen manage. Oh, the PHP. Oh, this is our friend, the PHP one. What's now? What next? What we can do? Oh no, we're talking about the runner. For the runner, where is that things? We need to install some stuff first for the runner. Oh, okay, let's do it. We need to install this, the PHP 7.2 CLI, apt install PHP 7.2 CLI. I think that's the name. PHP 7.2-CLI. Okay, let's let him install. Okay, yes, and we don't have the runner now. First of all, he said to you it's install it in. It's not installed. Okay, let's go back to. Let it finish installing. If we come back to here, this project of ours. I went out. Where is my project? Now we start to remember the runner is the one that pushed the for GitLab with the runner, or if you want to use Jenkins. Where is that sitting? We need to look for our friend the runner CCID, and then let's see if we don't have a runner. We need to configure it. Then apt install GitLab runner. Okay, install the runner for me. Okay, let's go for it. Where we are now? If we go now to runner, expand, we can go here and say show runner installation registration. We already installed it now, so we don't need this because we already installed it. We just need this. So if I come back now here, the installation is finished, so I can just run this command. Okay, that's the GitLab IP, that's the where. Then what's presented, we can just call it attack box like he did in the room, and present the tags, so production like he did in the room description. Whether to run and tag, we want to read and tag everything because we don't want. Let's true. Okay, that's true. I don't know. We want to talk to the within the shell. We're not having virtual box or docs wherever we're using the shell here, and reload it. Now to confirm it's there, so we can close this, just refresh this page now. If I come back to our runner, I'm a bit tired guys, I'm sorry. Our runner friend, now I'm supposed to see my runner. Okay, this is my runner, and I can see I have it here. If I say what's that command? System oops, why making noise? Mute systemctl. Oh, why doesn't have systemctl GitLab status? Why doesn't give me the GitLab runner status? No, oh no, reverse. No operation GitLab runner, really? Okay, our runner is running. I can't see the name. Where is the name? Control C. Okay, the runner is in GitLab. Where is that file? The config. Okay, you see our token, our URL, and then the execute ID shell. So it's running. We configured it correctly. Okay. So now here's the tricky part. Not tricky part. Okay, what we can do now, because now we have the runner, we go back to our project. We need to build it. Let's do any small test now. Where we just do, for example, test in readme file. We can edit this file. Edit. Just say this was here. Go back, commit changes, because we fork this project is authorized, so we can do it. We have the runner, we have permission for it. Where is the commit? Create merge request, because this is ours, so we have permission for it. Just small updates. Create merge request. Pipeline 60. We can go to pipeline 60 and see what's going on there. Oh, why it's for projects? Deploy test, because remember, where is that the page built? If we go to this page build and go inside the YML file, you can see 1, 2, 3. Oh, it said 4. Where is the fourth one? 1, 2, 3, 4. Echo hello. So, oops. So we have all of them. I'm more interested to see the result of which one. I'm the one that do the PHP one. Where is the last one? The last one. Let me get number 162, 60. So that's the last one, 65. Let me close this. You see, that's our runner, AZLNX. This job doesn't have trace. Why it doesn't have trace? To deploy directly to prod, commit at 165. So let's see the 64. What is doing? Okay, okay, that's the runner. And Z6. Oh, an otak box. This is our runner. Why are there two different numbers? AZ. Oh, they're not. P6. Why this Z at the end? Good question. I don't know. Okay, let's So now remember what he's doing. We can see now in our computer now, if I go now to temporary folder, I can see there's a folder called time, and then if I go there, ccid, and go there, and you can see the application, what vim login.php, what exactly you do. Yeah, it give you the if user is admin and password admin, okay, true, go back to time space, vim time, and then we have the source code of the file. This is server to be 6, and we have the flag. Yeah, but we can get all this because it's under our server. We can just go here, http, because it's local host, so we can do 127.0.0.1 and then 8081, and 8081, remember it came from this, that's 8081. So and remember the room, it said what it said, the room here, it said to you, you can find a default credential in the readme file. The readme file, you can go back to that. Where is the readme file? Readme file is here, admin. So you can know it's admin, or from the code you can know it's the, as I said, it's already give you here admin. So we know that admin. So if we go admin and admin, we can log in, and it telling me which exactly the same here. So I can just also copy it from here. As I said, there is that's the file, that's the commander. So we know is that. So we have that. And then what's the name of the build agent that can be used with GitLab? Yeah, that's a GitLab runner, GitLab runner. So we already there, so you can read about that. Okay, so where we are now, we are in the testing phase. Okay, so secure, let me see what you're talking about here. Secure source code security, unauthorized tampering, this is simple issue. Okay, unauthorized disclosure, confusion of responsibilities. Okay, guys, you can read about it. Exploiting a vulnerable build source. Okay, you have already registered profile in GitLab. While you can use manual information to find sensitive information in the repo, where you are in the team, you will need automation to this process. So now we give us a Python script that can run. Let's see what we can do with this. Why not copy into me? If we go copy, let me come back here. Let me back to my say vim automate.py. Let me copy, of course, now to do this, to automate the GitLab. They give us now the GitLab, but we need to put the token part of it. So we need the token. Where is the token? We need to get this token. I don't think this is demo token. That's why they give us this option to get the token. How to get the token? You need to go to your profile, and then what? No, preference or edit profile. No, preference, I think. Okay, account, not SSH kits. I forgot about it. Where is the API? Preference. No, I'm not looking for colors. SSH keys, notification, preference, account, enable two-factor authentication. Really, access token. Oh, I think it is this one. Yeah. Name. Let's call it. What do I call it? Just expired date 1 March. What we supposed to select? API. Let me follow what before we jump. repository API reducer. We don't need reducer. Okay, that's the only thing we do. Okay, create copy. Let's copy our token, then we copy it and paste it somewhere here. Now let's see what we have. Let me create a beta directory, make enumeration, cd enumeration. Let me copy that file we did no automation to here. We have that. Let me write Python in automation. Let's see. What? No model GitLab. Okay, let me see if 3.9 has it. 3.9. Nope. So pipe install. It's a Python. So what? Call it Python GitLab. Oh, okay, is install it, and Python 3 distribution. Okay, let's do, as always, you need to do that 3.9. Okay, now we got our files. We have a zip folder. Basically, these ones are the one that we authorized to see. Okay, we did the enumeration, structure to be securing the build source. Okay, group-based access control, access level, sensitive information protection. Okay, we do this so we don't copy whatever so we ignore some file. Environmental variable in this is a room in TryHackMe that show how to use the environmental variable, and of course branch protection. We see it later in one of the labs. Which file specify which directory and file should the exclude one is clearly this one, the ignore one. So this file you can ignore. So let's see there. And then what can you protect to ensure direct what can you protect to ensure direct pushes and variable code changes are avoided? Yeah, we protect the branch protecting, so we need to protect branches, and so branches with an S, I think. Okay. What issue does lack of access control and unauthorized code change lead to? What it lead to? Lack of access and unauthorized code change. So what it need? Authorized tempering or something. Tempering. But you need to look for the exact keyword that unauthorized. Oh, the tempering part. This is the simplest issue of two. Only authorized users should be able to. Okay, so that's the tempering. Yeah, reading all of this, I will give you information in any case. So now the question: what is the API key stored within the mobile application that can be accessed by any GitHub user? We did install. Oh, that's the Python GitLab that we should install. Yeah, we didn't need to put the number. That's fine. It worked for us. Okay, free to play around with the script to introduce stealth. I'm not sure, to be honest. I'm not that level to mix stealth now in my knowledge. Okay, he said, okay, Omirate, you download the project, and he said, such a secret. Okay, let's play around. So what? They all can go inside the zip. Grab minus I secret from everything. Can it go? Can it do it? Oh, nothing. Strings can. But strings grab minus I secret. Let's see if it can't do it. Really? That's very strange. He said the mobile app, so let's try the mobile part of it. grep minus I secret. Really? Is a string comment doesn't work? I think we need to unzip it. Let's unzip mobile ls. Now I can go inside mobile and then we have the files. So what now? Grep, can you do something? Minus R secret everything. Can you give me now? Read me API static API key. Okay, it's in where? Readme file. Path to the JSON secret file. Follow. Okay, ls. So which file we need to go? The readme doesn't. What the question is said? API key. Okay, let's do search for key. Why it's always readme file? Really? Oh, there is a key somewhere. I didn't see. Sometimes I'm blind. Yeah, a doc file. Let's see the vim doc file. Environment. Oh, that's what we said. What one? That one. The environment variable. GitLab environment variable. Don't put your secret like that. So you need to use environment variable. So we have that. So this is the one we have. Okay, I was not looking. I didn't see this line. Yeah, so that's why I said it's keep looking me to readme file. Okay, what next? It's a bit long. This I'm already tired a little bit. Oh, we have some something popping up. These agent things. Now that we have paid attention to protecting the build source of our pipeline, next our journey is ensuring that the build process itself does not have misconfiguration that can lead to compromise. Dependencies. This is especially for supply chain attack. Basically, if you use some kind of library, you just say download, and then someone mess up the server where these dependencies are installed, so you can inject their own code. So that's one of the things that we need to look for. Dependency management room, knowing when to start the build. A big issue with pipeline and build processes that in a nutshell, whether you like or hear or not, it is a remote coordination feature. Once a pipeline kick off, the build server communicate to one. Okay, what actions start the build process? How can we start? Basically, all this permission, who start build, who accept, who manage, and all of that. Exploiting the merge build. A common toxic combination is called on merge build. Let's take a look at readme file, Asha repo, merge test, and Asha. Let's see. Where is our friend Asha? Let's go back. Where is how do I find this Asha now? Oh, this is Asha. Okay. Merge test. Where is my merge test? Asha. No, I'm not looking for. Where is his repo? I shall click on his name. Merge test. This one. Yeah, let's go to that one. What's the common? It seemed like Asha is getting tired of using. Oh, let's read for his readme file. Hi all, I'm getting tired of having to test your code before accepting merge request. Therefore, I have enabled CCID on merge request. Only measures where requests where the pipeline succeed will be considered for merging. Okay, so they're doing a test stage or something like that. This is testing the repo to ensure that Nostromo is working as expected. New Nostromo test case can be added there. It seemed okay, tired, so such as Jenkins enable. So this is very common configure certain CID software such as Jenkins enable this by default. The issue, however, is this could lead to compromise. Let's see how to leverage this to compromise a build agent and some secret. Reviewing the source. Okay, let's wait the source code. Oh yeah, he has a Jenkins file here. Let's see what he has. Notify GitLab. Okay, well, let me see what. Reviewing the source code, we see that Ash uses Jenkins. This is a CID script that will be executed by Jenkins through webhook. Effectively, when certain action performed, such as a merge request is open or code is pushed to the branch, GitLab will notify Jenkins of the change through webhook. Okay, so they're talking to each other. Jenkins will then pull the source code and execute the steps listed in the Jenkins file before providing feedback to GitLab and the outcome of the build. However, this also that's why we need to inject our shell now. This is what creates the issue. If a merge request is going to be built, an end user can modify both the source code and the CCID Jenkins file. It means that user can cause the build agent to build. Okay, because now we have a permission to change this file. So if I go now to edit, what we doing? Navigate to the repo and press for. Let's go back. Where's the fuck? Let's go back. Mesh test. Why why you have a clone for me? Yeah, merge test is the project. Oh, sometimes I didn't see it. Let's fork this project. Let's take it my name. Let's put it private too, so our user, the other user don't. Okay, while there are multiple ways in which your mesh build can be exploited, we'll focus on simplest method, which is after the Jenkins CCID are often used code execution as a feature. So basically what we do is we create the file and then we call it. So let's create first the file. Let's go back there. Let's get back to vim shell.py. It's a Python, so oh well, no, it's not. What? Vim shell.sh. We have the file. Remember our IP, we talked about it before. We need to use the CCID IP, so we need to use this one. Oh, stop making noise. I don't think that we use the 8081 because the local host is running there, so I don't think it will work. Let's change that port number. 1 2 3 4. Okay, and then we can run Python model server http.server, and then I can run nc-lvmp m1234. Then the next script is this one for Jenkins. I can do this, and then I can go to the Jenkins file. Remember we do forking, and then where is it? Edit this file. Now I'm getting tired. I'm confused what I'm doing. We can delete the whole thing and just put there. Then we need to put our IP. Let's make sure that we're running the same circle. Port 8000 me. I didn't change the port, so I need to do here is already configured his own port. I didn't, so I need to put 8000 here. The IP address, we said it's this one. That's how the network is set up. Shell.sh. Okay, cool. So now if I commit the merge, create a merge request. Yeah, update Jenkins file, it's fine. Then confirm the merge. We can check the pipeline now to see the progress. 4 jobs. What 4 jobs? Why is 4 jobs? What was the 4 job? Let's see if we got the shell. We should get shell. We didn't get shell. Nice. Fine. Still pending. Okay, and then he said create a merge request, add description, and click create. If you complete all steps in a couple of seconds. Hold on, my friend, where is my couple of seconds? Oh, ID. What server we are in? IP address. We are in the 171 IP. Where is the 171 IP? We are here. The agent for Jenkins. I'm not really, because this is Jenkins. So what? It's pushing to an agent. I'm not really 100% understanding the whole setup here. So we are in the host. Okay, so we got the shell. So we protecting the build process, isolate and containerization around build in isolate container to prevent interference. And okay, least privilege is important because now they give us full privilege, so that's why we're able to do so. Secret management, secret management, dependency scanning. Okay, let's go quickly to where should you store artifacts to prevent tampering. Where should I store them? Secret method to store and sensitive data securely. Secret management fitted to store. So this is secret management because we have our secret, so we can go there. Where should store artifact? Artifacts registry, I think. Where we store the artifact? Don't confuse me now. Dependency confusion. Isolate content to prevent maintenance. Consistency dependency scanning, pipeline is code, regular update, login, monitoring, store, build artifact. Oh, the secure registry, yeah. Secure registry, yeah. And then what attack can malicious actor perform to inject malicious code in the build process? The build process. What attack can malicious actor perform to inject malicious code? what we talk about managing dependency, supply chain attack or dependency confusion, and developer depends on use the attack could attempt dependency confusion attack injecting the code. So we have that, and then authenticate to model, follow the process to claim flag 1. What is flag 1? Okay. So where is mother now? Mother, we are here. So now submit a proof of copy number 1. Build process compromise. So number 1. Please provide the host name. We are, because we access now to the IP 171. 171 is J agent. So J agent. In order to verify your access, please complete the following steps. Go to club directive flag folder, create a text j.txt and put this information on it. Okay. To do what? This file. So you can do echo in flag folder, create a files.txt. Let's see what happened. Oh no, it doesn't work. Echo, I did a mistake. I didn't do the redirect. Flag j.txt. Yes, I finished. Let's see. Could not recover the file, hence flag could not be rectified. Really? CD flag. Why that echo didn't work? Ls minus LA. There's nothing in the flag folder. I'm not connected. Did I lost connection? Yeah, we lost the connection. That's why. Damn it, now I need to redo the whole thing. It lost the connection. Ay. Ctrl C. I need to do it again. Merge request. That's why it's this. That's what usually sometimes it happen. That's what one issue with this room. You lose connection. Ay. Sometimes that's what I didn't like about part of this room. If I ping my that 206 150, it's dead. Host and reachables. Network is working, so we just need to wait for a little bit. Hey, that's one of the things about this network. It's not stable. Yeah. How long we need to wait now? Okay, last time I did, I just refreshed my page. Let's see if it. I don't know. It's a bit funny, but let's see what give us. Network is unreachable. Okay. It drops sometimes like that for I don't know. Sometimes they blame. Okay, it's listening there. Yeah, but the irony that mother it's still connected fine. It's only the losing connection happening. The 10.6, the 10.6, and they stopped. I knew it did something in. The clock went down. We need to start it again. Let's see. Okay, we have it back. Let's refresh the page. We need to wait for it because it's just starting. Okay, in the meantime, what we have here, so here we compromise what? The Jenkins configuration. So we did the pipeline with Jenkins. Okay, that's good. What I'm thinking now. Okay, have a coffee break. Welcome to, what is this? Oh, this one is still working. Okay, log out. Not found. Really? Because it's just starting now. It takes time to. The network is up. Okay, for safe, let's create a new one. Let's do 3.5. With the shell one, let me change the shell 5 one. cd vim shell. Let's change the port to 1235. We need to redo it. I don't want to do the same port in case some that old connection is still on. Okay, it's test mesh. Okay, we go back to what we did before. We have Jenkins. Okay, let's edit this file. We need to make changes, so we don't just move shell to shell 2.sh, and let's call the sh2. Okay, let's commit this change. Oh no, we just need to wait for the where are you? 1 2 3 5. Let's make sure we didn't do any mistakes. Oops. It's 1 2 3 5 1 2 3 5. Dun, dun, dun. It should be fine. It's in pipe. It's still working. Let's see if it called the download. What the hell is happening here? It still didn't connect to shell 2. Where are these things coming from? Something is not running. What is the pending? Let's see what's happening. Is building or something. This one's supposed to go to Jenkins, huh? Jenkins is running, so we don't have problem there. So where is our problem? The jobs. What's going on here? Job is stuck. Check runners. update Jenkins. Yeah, this job stuck because you don't have any active runner that run this job. Really? I don't need what runner I need. We created a runner before for I didn't have this problem before. It's clearly not working. I think losing connection. With the option to cancel. Revert, check pick, download, patches, plain def. What's this? Cancel racing pipeline. Let's cancel whatever it is. Maybe it's still not. We just machine start now, so. Okay, this is cancelled, so we cool from that side. The Python server import 8000, so it's cool. We only changed it there. It's just we changed port 1235, so and then 1235. So let me go back to this mesh test. That's the mesh test. Okay, mesh test. Yeah, that's the. We need to update some things to change it. Let me put back that shell too, otherwise it doesn't run. Move shell to shell.sh. Shell.sh, so we can do the push. I don't know why in my network now lost sound up to the whole. This is when you do commit changes. Let's see what happened. You took me the runner. I'm not doing my computer to do runner. Yeah, but whoever is building it. Good question. View merge request. Approval is optional. Production activity. I don't need a runner like we did before. This part of still is not calling the. You think because the network was reset we need a runner or something? Now I'm got confused already. We have jobs is 4 created, and this one pending. Why are you pending? Okay, let me do this runner story. I'm a little bit confused now. Runner project, show runner. Did our runner, the first one, disappeared because the network went off? Okay, let's not flip the coin. Let's do this runner again. Let's see. Registration, okay. Okay. Yes, fine. Call it whatever you care. Production. True. No, true. That's fine. I want to shell. But why you want something I'm really not sure why the need for it. Let's see what will happen here. It's there, so it's fine. Okay, let's see let's go back to the merge request. View merge request. The last one is the 63. Let's see. It says finished, so should we have now? But I don't have a port, and there's no connection to my IP. I don't know, guys. It said pass. Update Jenkins file was pass. Really? Okay, let's start it again. Let's move that shell to shell 2.sh. Let's go back and do another one. When network did connection down. Okay, let's go back to Jenkins file. Let's edit the file. So did the runner needed? I don't think it's a runner issue, because now I'm confused. View merge request, no way. You see 4 because what? Why it's 64 again? Let me check what that file do. Merge test. Hello, merge request. Oh, this is just text things. Okay, let's see if we get the shell now. Oh my goodness, he just doesn't want to give me the shell. It's like it's blocked or something. He doesn't even try to run. It's like it with the connection failed. Get shell. This one we got it. Then even don't tell me I'm doing the wrong one. This is me. Where's my projects? Let me see. This is my project. Sorry guys, I don't know what the hell is happening here. Jenkins file. Yeah, it's there, so it's not like I did something wrong. For commit image will be added to the main. Okay, (11 minutes) 6 minutes ago, 1 minute ago. So that's the one we did last. Update Jenkins. Okay, pipeline. It's passed without any issue. Why I'm not getting the shell? Let's do this. Let's go to the mesh test again. Let me fork it in the new name. This is really, let's do this. Let me do small changes in, let's say, the CI file. Okay, edit. Just add anything here. Let's see what happened. I'm really now. I'm not sure what's the problem. View merge request. Approved, everything is fine. Run as 65. Nothing. It's like it doesn't connect. Can I ping it? What's that IP again? 6171. Ping 10.200.6.171. I'm able to ping it, so it's not like doesn't. Let's do this. How to delete this project? How we delete project ID, advance, expand, archive project, change path, remove fork region, delete project. Let's delete it. Let's type this. Yes, delete project. Okay. Now let's go back to explore. Merge test is the one that we're using, huh? Then I can fork it. Let's call jelly number 2. And then let me get this code again. No, do we have it somewhere? Hold on. Sorry guys for this messed up. I don't know what the hell happened. So Jenkins file, edit. Like you wait the connection get off and then you lose everything. So what is my IP? The IP CCID is. Just make sure that my attack box doesn't. It's 47 minutes left, so we're cool, safe there. Let's see. This is 8000. The shell we rename it to shell 2. ls it's shell 2. commit change. Create a merge request. Yeah, why this option before didn't show me? What happened? I don't know. Maybe because it's too much request, messed up something. I don't know. So let's see what happened here now. Let's see if he can connect something. Okay, we have it. Now we have. Let's do this quickly so we don't lose the connection again. Copy. Do that. Yeah. Don't lose connection. Let's do this quickly. Where is that mother things? Mother, yes, we did. Let's see what happened now. So we delete the project. Oh, hey, on the print. Oh, it gave me like the okay. I got the flag, so I can go. Oops. Hey. Oh, now our friend Jenkins. Okay, Mr. Jenkins. Where is that? Oops, the host. Got etc hosts. What's etc hosts? Let's. Why etc hosts? I don't want to type. What port that one? 8080. Okay. Let's go to HTTP port 880. Let's see what we have here. No, don't tell me Jenkins I can't access to it again. 8080. Jenkins is the 6160. The 6160. That's correct. Oh, it's here. Password, I think it's Jenkins. Oops. Jenkins. Oh, that's the test pipeline we did before. Let's see, where is it? Test full pipe. Why it's still in progress? 5 months and 29 days. Oops. But if we've been using Jenkins now, where is the logs? Build history. Let's see. February 17th, today. What happened here? Let's see what I did. Triggered by GitHub. You see the webhook merge test. That's what we did. Then what? Build 8. That's the it keep running because it's doing the reverse shell. That's why it keep running. Okay. We're using MFS console. Okay, let's go to. Where should we play? Oh no, this is mother. So let's play here. MSF console. I think MySQL. Let's do there. So we want to attack directly the server, the Jenkins server, the compromise. So this one has some kind, because we already have a username and password. So basically we what exactly we doing in this room? Targeting the build server because username and password as it's. Let's try our luck with the Jenkins. Okay, with Jenkins we to use exploit multi HTTP Jenkins script console show options. I'm really getting tired. I can see from my typing. Okay, what we have username of a set target. What target is talking about? IP password proxy. Targeting Jenkins, yes. The path to, okay. Why is so you do target one, what it mean? It's not Windows. I'm not sure why this option is one. You said target is one. Show option. Oh, if you put one, it become Linux. Okay, okay, cool. Set payload. Linux x64 interpreter. Why are you making noise in my ears? TCP. We're doing the blind the bind. Set password Jenkins, and then set username Jenkins, then set remote host Jenkins .tryhackme.llc. The target is straightforward. Set target URI is the dash because we don't. Remote port, we know it's 880, and then we can run it. Let's see. Set remote host. What? It need to be a capital letter. Jenkins .tryhackme.log. Run. Really? Jenkins TryHackMe. See, I'm vim etc hosts. Why guys no one saw this error? That's mother. Let's run it. Run again. Okay, let's do the shell ID P Jenkins PLW. I'm inside Jenkins. So now we're inside Jenkins. Okay, that's cool. And then what can be used to ensure that remote access to build server can be performed securely? This no one. It's a VPN. Use the VPN to access build server. So that's straightforward VPN question. What can be used to add an additional layer of authentication security for build agents? For build agent, additional layer of authentication security for build agent. What we can do? VPN token-based authentication. It has a build agent token for authentication, adding extra layer of security. Okay, so we can use this. We're not using it in this room, but it's good to have. Before we lose authentication here, authenticate to mother and follow response to claim flag number 2. Where is mother? Mother, where we are now? Why sometimes it's freezing my computer? Why? Securing build server. Okay, so we are in build server compromise, so it's number 2. The build server. No, I'm confused. So Jenkins, the server is Jenkins, so Jenkins Okay, I'll stop making too much text. So like we did before, copy. Where is that the shell we got? That's the shell we got. We can do echo to flag folder j.txt. .txt. So let's see if mother like us. Oh, I did x. What is x? It's to press yes, I did x. Yeah. Okay, we got the flag. Let's do that. Yeah. I'm getting tired. Okay, I didn't want to do this room during the week. I knew it will be too much. Where we are now, secure the build pipeline. I forgot about this. Access gates, enhance control, quality control, secure checks, implement steps, manual approval. Okay, you have some manual. Automatic tests, security scans, release gates. What release gates? Use gates to verify proper documentation. Okay, environment validation, rollback plan if things go south, monitoring, parallel gate, run gates in parallel, auditing. Okay, due to person concept, even if we have access to gates, we need to ensure that no single user can pass the access gate, so it's not like one person. Now we're doing some changes. Let me close this. We need to log out, sign out, because now they give us let's take a look at an example where access gate have been misconfigured. In this example, will provide you with access to Anna user. So she's a developer, so since Anna password is password1. She's basically has permission of developer, like not like us, so we cool. That's what her project, approve a test environment, manage test and secret. Okay. Hash provide Anna with the developer access to his test repo, approval test repo. Okay. To protect the main branch of the repo, Ash has configured the main branch to be protected branch where developers are only allowed to make merge request and no direct code change. We do request, but we can't direct change. Okay, let's test by editing the readme file. Navigate. Okay, let's readme file. Let's edit text. Let's see what happened. Okay, was here. Let's see what we have here. If we go scroll down, what we got? Start a new merge request. You see, we can't change it, so we don't have permission. So we need to commit change and then create a merge request, and that's it. And then we don't have here's the mistake with the room when you don't have a proper permission. The approve is optional, so we need to approve is optional. Ready to merge. Why don't have I didn't have this. Why it's in the red? Script failure. Oh, I had this problem before. Job failed, exit status 1. Why it's failed? When reading a line. No, it's a fail everywhere. Fail. Why you fail in merge branch? What happened here? What fail happened? Python store, say welcome to translator file GitLab rana build wherever. I don't know what we are in the right file. Approve a test. What's wrong with this Python file? Let me see. In any case, let's see what's the story here. So we can submit. Initially we see that we'll have to make a measure request. That's what we did now, and the description create wherever. But we are able to prove ourselves because we got this. So we did the limit protect the pipeline, protecting your GitLab. Okay, this is if you want to protect fully protected. Review measure request, use CCID variable, limit run access control, audit. I will come back to that. Let's finish the question. What can we add so that measures are raised for review instead of pushing the change to code directly? We need to this is the whole day measure requests. We're using this the whole time now, so we should know it without looking to the answers. What should we do so that only trusted runner executes CCID? Trusted runner, so limit runner access. It's straightforward. So let's do. Then flag 3. So where are we supposed to be? Why this one become red? So I think we go in here or somewhere, or this one. Let's see. I'm going to the wrong place again. Where is that? Sometimes this GitHub confuse me. Okay, the approved test. I'm looking for this one. Because we have access there. Where is the we can do the same thing we did before. Let's edit. We can use the same shell. Oh, it's still on this one. Let me change the port to something else. Let's 1235. Let's 1236. Let's copy this. NC myself VMP 1236. Let's get it there. Script. We can just create another one here. Okay, let's commit these things to the repo. Because remember we have a commit, so and he said create a measure request. We create a measure request. We prove ourselves. That's the button we're looking for. Merge immediately. Job number 70. Okay, this is the job is running. Pending. Why are you pending? Why are you pending? Did we got the shell? We didn't. Oh, we got the shell. Oh, nice. Okay, what IP address? Before we lose the connection again. It's a 202. We are in the 202. Or in the middle. Why these two now are running? I'm not sure what's the job of these two. grana02. So if we go to mother, submit proof of concept, number 3, the IP we are here, grana02, grana02, (201). Oh, 20. We are here in grana number 3, grana01. So we can echo this text directly to directory flag cherry dot. Now we can, oops, sorry. So we need to come here and say yes. My computer is freezing for whatever reason. I think it's a recording. Still 2 questions. Hey. What is this now? Secure the build environment segregation. Okay, this is segregation. One build agent to rule them all. In our example, Ash has learned from his mistakes and made sure only the provide Ash with access to the development branch. So, okay, main now is fully restricted. We'll test in the environment 1. Where is that environment things? Ash, where is the environment? Environment measure request. We have the environment 1. Okay. To get started, navigate to. Okay. That's the environment are here, so we can just check them here. We have production, we have staging. If we like the last change, what is here? The 2 environment. Let's look at the last build that has performed for production. Last build 32 pipe. Let's see what happened. We have 2 jobs. This is the main one. There's 2 main. One manual, one. Let's open both of them. New tab. Open new tab. Let's see what happened here. You see, I don't see the runner that he's talking about in his screenshot here. That's my issue. I don't see this. You can see the running of this runner, agent runner with there and this one. He said we can see the runner number 6 was used to build following the steps for Bristol stacks in a dev branch. Make small change to readme. Let's do small change, then come back to this story, because part of this may get me confused last time. The environment. In a dev, we have access only to the dev environment. Let's go to change a little bit for readme file. So let's do the change for readme file now. Let's see what we get. Okay, I did it before. It's still here. Shell test. It's because this network doesn't reset fully. Submit. Create mesh. It keep remembering my previous work. I was here in this room to test it last time. I can approve. I can merge. I can check the pile. The jobs. 194. Of course, now this different runner, and now you can see the runner, but I'm not sure this room how it's set up, because he's talking about, I think he did his test, this creator room, because remember now we see only the 5 months ago when this room was created. The runners are not the same. So basically what he said, Ash is responsible for dev and pod build, so basically he's using the same. Therefore, if we can compromise the runner through our dev access, we can't accept the production build. This is the part where I got too much confusing here. The first thing you can do, we do what we always do. Use the simple shell. We can change another port here, let's call it 7. So we can do another listener port, that one, and C minus L VNP 1237. Let's run there. We can go to not the main, the dev one. You can edit there. That's what we're supposed to do, huh? Edit. We have scripts, let's add it there. Guys, remember, if I'm mistaken, when I did this room, this script has something wrong with it. It's not have the right spacing. You need to have them in straight line and 2 space here, 2 space, 2 space, 2 space, 2 space, in case you get an error in the YAML file. So I have that problem. Okay, create the merge request. Remember, we are in a dev, so let's be clear on that. Approve. We can just say merge immediately. Pipeline 74. We have one job is running, job 197. Job didn't start yet. Good luck for you. But did we get into? Oh, we got cell. I don't need to. Where we are? IP address. We are in a 202. We are here. Let me do something. Let me get the shell stabilizer before we lose connection. And then what's the next command again? Export term, exterm, export. Export term equal exterm, then Control Z, and then what one? Not ZTTY, not Z. I always forgot about it. STTY row minus echo BG. No, not BG. FG foreground. Equals correctly. Dash echo dot find. Okay. Where we are now? You see now we are in the ash. Who am I? I'm a GitHub planner. We have ID is there. So let's go back where we have here. That flag doesn't. Here's the twist here, because he got me to a couple of times for this to figure it out. It's not like to figure out, it just confused me, this part. This part answered the first question. What it said, what should you do so that a compromise event doesn't affect? So if it doesn't meet to isolation or something, where is that isolation? We do isolate environment. Okay, let's do that. Here's what he said. He said, it seemed that Ash is trying to save some budget by having, so if we intercept a production build, leverage one of the previous techniques to compromise a build agent. We compromise the build agent, we are on it now, we got the shell, and read some sensitive information. Now here's what sensitive information we got. So if we go now cd home, if we're looking for anything, we have Ubuntu. We don't have access to Ubuntu. We have access to the GitLab parallel. If I go there, -a, because this is shared network, if you go cut bash history, you see this. For me, when I came the first time, that's what you get. You get this like that. You get SSH Ubuntu at IPs, and then you think, what the hell will we do? It comes the idea I saw this. Then he said, okay, so if I'm here now, I need to access to this too. So how the hell I will access to this too? So it's not lateral movement in Linux or something. You need to access. How you can access? The only way you can access something is with SSH, and you get this in the history to give you an idea. And then if I go now to SSH, I get my private here. If I cat.ssh known hosts, is a couple of them here. So basically this is the part I gave me. I thought for maybe another user who put it here, because remember now this machine is part of many people working on it. So I try to figure out how is pushing through the shell through the SSH. It's configured to what I'm saying. If I do now, remember now we have this two. Where is it? This history. This things. These two IPs there. So if I go search Ubuntu and I say I want to go to the dev, which is 10.200.6.2.0, 10.200.6.2. 220. Okay, yes, you already logged in. So basically it's configured the SSH what do they call it, SSH keys without password. You're already in the box. So if I go IP address, yeah, I'm already there. So if I go to mod and it says dev number 4, which is dev for dev stop making writing. Okay, so we can come here and just say echo to dash flag dash my txt. What the hell? Echo flag why is not doesn't want me to do anything. It's not stable. Echo what's going on here? Okay, we're done. Okay, let's know what happens. Like shell is not stable or something. Something is not right. Oh, we got a flag. Yeah. Almost freaked out. And we do the same things. If I exit connection, we're going back to the 212. If I do again another the other IP, the 230, and you can see IP, we are on it. ID is Rana Ubuntu, so we are inside the 230 now. So if I set to number 5 is a prod. So let's see what happened before. I can't echo directly. Why? I'm getting she's doing to me the same things before. Okay, it's back. Okay, yes. But this is a part I'm trying to understand, but I'm really confused. I know the runner. This is old room. That's why you can see them. I don't see them in my site. We got the flag for that things. Okay, so we can have it. So my issue is because when they arrive before to this, let's go exit. When I was inside this box, I couldn't figure out. The only way I was able to figure out is to when I saw this cut the bash history file, and then I saw this to command. Then I said, oh, it's an SSH. Room creator in Discord said you need to think about what other way you can push data, and because now you want to push things through this, so if you push from one Linux to Linux SSH, maybe it's work, but I don't have permission here to check the runner because I can't, for example, check the etc GitLab. I don't have permission to. I can't open the permission denied for the runner. I'm not sure if it has some kind of temporary file there. Oh, it has hosted somewhere. ls build. You see, this is what our runner that we did before. So if I go to runner 0, that's our friend Ash. That's where we did the runner before. Where is that runner again? No, this is the V. This is the old one, the 5 months ago. In any case, guys, it's like an SSH directly connection. I'm not 100% sure about this part. I tried to figure out if it wasn't there in the history. I'm not sure if I could figure it out how to jump from here to this and this. I thought there's some kind of I'm not sure, to be honest. This part is I'm sorry guys, I might one day try to figure it out again. The next one is securing the build secret. Okay, Larry has now finally learned his lesson and made sure to implement segregated runner. Okay, separate runner. Okay, for different, but there is one more issue. While this pipeline may be segregated, we need to make sure that the secret or variable or key are also segregated. If the scope of the secret is not narrowly defined, we can request to use a prod secret in our build, allowing us to compromise the production environment. One last time, navigate to the same things, environment. Okay, I'm inside the environment. Let's take a look at the environment and latest build for them, as we have done in the previous task. Taking a look at one of the production deployment, and we can see that the build is making IP variable. Okay, the production let's see what he said. Where are we supposed to go? Jobs is deployed. Let's take a look at an environment. Oh, that's the API key. Okay, where to see the history? Now I'm getting confused. The environment, navigate to the last repo used for this exploit. Let's take a look at the environment and latest build of them. Oh, the environment. Production. The pipeline. This is the one we opened before. Eco test application, not this one. Oh, that's the API keys. Okay, so we have the API keys. As I know, we don't have the permission required to list the different variables, but taking a look at the dev branch, we can see that our dev variable is different. Really? Okay. Environment. Where's the dev branch? Okay, sorry guys, I'm a bit tired. I'm really tired. The variable is different. Why? We need to remove that. Where is the variable? What the variable is talking about? The value is API key dev. Let's make a change to this variable and also echo our value to see if we can access the prod available. Make change to the CI file in the diversion C and see what happened. This is not the original file or what? What happened in the main? Did someone change the file? Because this room it access for different users. Let's do this. Let's copy this. Let me go to the dev. Let me edit. Remember, we still have we are inside the dev, so we're not losing. Let me remove the whole thing and put this, and echo API key. I said it's like, what did I delete the file before? Sorry guys, because remember this room, it doesn't reset the whole thing. In our case the value is PA dev. Okay, let's make a change. So you want to make the change to this. Okay, so basically it's the to go to the temporary directory. Okay, so I think that's the original file. Let's make a commit now. Create a merge request. So if things go well, our temporary file will get the key. Let's approve. Merge immediately. 76. Oh, how many pipes? 75 or 76? In theory, cd temporary, what it's supposed to print again? Will it echo it to temporary key? We don't have the key yet. We have hosts. I think we did a mistake, guys. There's a mistake. We play around it. You see the environment. Which one we access SSH for task 9 for this? Oh, they're the same environment. So this one, it's the same environment. So if things go well, so something we should show here. Hosts is no keys. Temporary these hosts trace. Host. What IP I'm in now? I'm in 202. 202, so I'm here. No, but it should be in the production. Let me in our case the value is big. Let's make change to this variable and also echo out the value to see if we can access the prod variable. Make the change to CLI file in dev branch and see what happened. But where it's supposed to go to go to the production variable. Let's go to, I'm confused now, sh ubuntu. Let me go to 10.200. The production one that's supposed to run there. 3.230. 3.230. Don't tell me we're losing connection again. Ten 203 230. 10 203 230. Oh, it's in the dev. Why the SSH is not working? 220. 220. I think we should go to the dev, not the production. Not 3. The diagram I always did the mistake. It's 6. Yeah, this diagram is not always correct. It's not 3 because we're following all the same network. 6. So if I go to ls temporary now, wow, there's no key. Okay, so there's no key. So what? It should be in the production file. It can't be in production because 6 ls temporary. They all have the same things. Exit. exit. Damn it. IP. Yeah, I did exit from that. Damn it, now we need to redo the whole things again. We lost the connection again. And see my LVNP. Let's do the triple fuzz. I'm really getting confused about all of this. I lost the connection again. The environment in our dev. Let's put it down. I don't want him to. I need the key before he do the SSH in case he get lost. Let's see what happened. Oh, it's complaining. Okay, let's see now what happened. Commit change. We doing commit change to the dev, so we go into the dev server, not the dev server, the one. Create a measure request. This question was, for me it was easy when I did it. It was straightforward. We deploy production with pending. I job 2 jobs. Allow it to fail. Pending. Let's see what we have here. I'm not redoing this video if it doesn't work. Okay, let's wait for it. What's this? Is using environment variable. Of course, security is always not perfect, so of course, nay. Use security. Go to GitLab, navigate to variable, add a new variable, select mask it, checkbox, and provide the value. Once you add the secure variable, you can use you without worrying about it being exposed in logs. We didn't get shell. Something is wrong. See what happened. Navigate to the last trip we used for this exploit environment. Let's take a look. Dun, 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 dun. This job has not been triggered yet. Why? Pending. I'm not getting shell, and that our shell, this one dead. One, two, three, testing. Where are you? 444. Don't tell me I did the shell wrong. What the hell is this? Message bed request, that's not interesting. Yeah, 4444. So we cool there, so there's no connection. Let's cancel this job now. Where are you pending? Merge bush. Cancel. Let's go back to there. In on dev. Let me edit. Let me change the port. Let's change it in number 5. The yeah, the variable is correct. So it go to the temporary folder. Okay, let's commit update, commit changes, create a merge, approve, merge immediately. So what's the problem? Why we don't have you can mask variable. Okay, that's not we didn't fork anything when we did task 9, huh? It does not connect. Sorry guys, this job is not started yet. Why? So we just wait. Let's wait for a minute or two and see what's going on. We did this before and we got the shell without any problem. It's like when you get too many shells. One, it's a thing because of this dead one. You know what? Let's close this. Maybe if we close it to release. Failed, skipped. Testing application, project name, job succeeds. Okay, so cool. Why is said manual? What's manual there? Run job. Why he need to run manually? What we did wrong? Let's see, ls temporary now. Wow, we got it now. ls key, ls temporary key, cut temporary key What? ls minus la temporary is nothing inside. It's supposed to echo the key in you know what, when you are tired, you're tired. Got temporary key, it's a file. It's sometimes it's a file, I thought it's a directory. Okay, what's this last thing? Said potential build secret. So basically the idea here, don't use this variable like that. He said what exactly you're supposed to do. We have a variable named mySecret. You can use it like this. mySecret as variable. GitLab projects. And then what? Go to settings CCID. Now basically you need to do it in your own project. So where is my own project? I'm logging as what's her name? Merge test is a project. So if you go, there's no variable there, but if you can go to ctn CCID, and then where's to go to variables? Variable, is it variable? It's a freezing, yeah. Oh, the page is froze. They lost connection or something. Why I'm losing connection to this page? Don't tell me the 50 minutes is finished. Let's see. I think we finished exactly as the time, yeah. It's dead, attacks box. My attack box dead, it's finished. I think we're done, guys. I'm sorry, but my attack box, I forgot to extend the timer. So basically, you can use these are room in TryHackMe related to variable. You can check it for this how to create variable and mask them, so we don't have the print like this, and that print, we got this. So we finish. Thankfully we finished before so guys, sorry for it's a bit complicated. I'm learning these DevOps things, and so I'm trying my best. And if you have questions or you share some knowledge and ideas, please let me know so we can learn from each other. And yeah, and thank you very much. Have a good day.